How's it going, everyone? Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me is a 2017 Honda Civic EX. Let me show you what this car has to offer. So you have a 2-liter 4-cylinder underneath the hood with a CVT transmission, getting you roughly 6 to 8 liters per 100 kilometers. You see here, real nice alloy wheels. You do get a second set of tires with this unit as well. One previous owner, accident free, and we also have it certified pre-owned. Color matching mirrors and door handles. Car is in great condition. And coming into the trunk here, there is the winter tire. To take down the 60/40 folding rear seats, you just pull these levers. Very spacious trunk. And coming into the interior here, you got these premium cloth seats. You have the sunroof up top there to the door panels. You got the mirror and window controls. Here is your trunk release. Coming into the interior here, currently at 63,451 kilometers. You have your audio and hands-free. You have your adaptive cruise control. Here you can adjust the volume by just moving your finger up and down on the volume pad on the steering wheel. Over here is your lane departure. You have your traction control, and you also have your front collision mitigation there. Here's your infotainment screen, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Your dual zone climate control and heated front seats. Gear select, you got your brake hold, parking brake, and your eco mode. Cup holders in the middle here. Open the button there, you got a very diverse center console. And coming into the back seat here, like I said, there's 60/40 folding. You got the cup holders in the middle there. That being a sedan, you do have that extra leg room. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2017 Honda Civic EX. For more information on this sedan, feel free to reach out to us, 250-860-6000, or you could always drop by our dealership. We're located on the corner of Lecky and Highway 97. Thank you guys again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.